welcome back. Let's get straight into it. Today, we're going to be showcasing Uber Eats and our location spoofing devices. So straight off the bat, you can see, open up the Uber driver app and we can adjust our location like so, which is Sheffield. So before I do that, I'll show you that I'm currently in Nottingham. Okay. Zoom out. Zoom in. And let's just. Oh, jump. We're in Sheffield. Go. We're online now in Sheffield. With the on green joystick, you can see I can move around. Let's sit and we're gonna wait. So what would you use this for? So Uber drivers in real life, they might. I think the main issue. Oh look, you can see we've got a delivery here. Boom, £8. I'm not going to accept it because I'm not in Sheffield, but the idea is that Uber drivers, they spend a lot of their time going to jobs and coming back from jobs to where the hotspot is or where they can get jobs. So essentially, these guys will be able to do their delivery, set their location to a hotspot, get another order, and crack on and go to that order, if that makes sense, without having to drive back to a hotspot and get another order. So that order's gone, whatever. But yeah, a lot of people are having issues with successfully spoofing. I can say our devices at PrivacyPortal work flawlessly. So yeah, just have a look under the location spoofing devices. We've got a QR code over here that you can scan to join our Discord server, and we can let you know any information that might come up regarding updates or if anything's patched. But it's just a quick one from us here. Your boy Root Guy, I'm out.